Do you want to start making more money with your God-given creative gifts? Or maybe you've had enough of the 9 to 5, the rat race, the same old, and you just know that you're destined for more. There's something inside you burning. There's a gift inside you just bursting to get out. If that's you, this is your sign. This is the video you need to watch. Stick around because I'm going to be sharing 3 tips that can help get you earning some extra cash within the next 24 hours or as soon as possible if you commit to trying again and not giving up. Now, I'm a professional singer, recording artist, qualified and experienced careers advisor and creative coach. I've been working in the music industry for over 13 years. I've had an amazing career. I've been all over the world. I've worked with so many amazing, well-known artists. I've helped many people monetize their gifts and helped them to take their creativity to the next level. However, I knew there was something that I was still missing, which is why I'm here today. And I want to share my journey with you because I believe it will help you. So I'm all about helping. No gatekeeping here. I want to give you a few tips, share this knowledge with you, help you monetize your gift, and hopefully give you the confidence and empower you to go to the next step. Now, a few weeks ago, I joined Arlen Hamilton's school community because I fell in love with her videos that I'd seen on YouTube. There was an offer that she shared, which I was really interested in. And I figured, you know what, let me check it out. If you want to know more about that, click the link in the description. The goal of the community that I joined was making your first $5,000. Now, as a professional singer, I've made way more than that. However, I've now diversified a little bit. I'm on YouTube. I'm building my YouTube presence. So I felt I really wanted to upskill myself and get a little bit more knowledge under my belt to share my expertise online, on YouTube, and see what it was that I was missing, see what my blind spots were. And I'm so glad I did. If you're somebody that's looking for a community with a ton of resources to get you started, I definitely recommend you checking out Arlen's school. Click the link in the description and that will give you more information about it. Within the first week of me joining, I absolutely loved what I was seeing, so I shared some information with a few close friends of mine to tell them what I was doing and encourage them to take a look and see if it was something they would be interested in. And because I did that, a few of them joined, and because they joined through my affiliate link, I actually even earned money by just sharing with people that I knew. So that's tip number 1. You can actually earn money by just being an affiliate for somebody. Make sure that you connect with the thing that it is that you are sharing. Don't just be an affiliate for anyone or any brand, but definitely, for me, I aligned with what Arlen was doing. I felt that she was offering a lot of good quality, really good value, and I wanted anyone and everyone to know about it. So I'm telling you too. So like I said before, click the link in the description and have a look. See for yourself. It's currently about $10 to join for the month. You can take a little peek and see if it's something that you're interested in. I know you will be interested. I'm excited every day to jump in there and see what I can learn that I can use to help myself to move to the next level with what I'm doing. Me being here today, creating this video, is a result of me being in Arlen's program, upskilling and learning and building my confidence within the community. The community is so lovely and so supportive, so it's really great to be around other people that are also on their journey too. Currently, I've earned about £80 now as an affiliate to Arlen. And if any of you decide to join today, I will earn from that. And that proves my point that you could actually earn, if you joined the program, within 24 hours of just sharing your link and sharing your true and real experience with your people. And you can earn a little bit of cash, a little bit of change, and hopefully that will build your confidence in putting yourself out there with an offer. I know it's not a million, but it's something that I didn't have a few weeks ago. Now, I make money all the time, but that's just a little bit of extra cash that I've now made. And I'm sure nobody is going to be turning their nose up at earning a little bit of an additional cash by just sharing a link. Come on. Tip number 2. What is it that you already do that you are really good at, that people maybe even ask you how to do and you just help them for free? That thing could actually be monetized and turn into a little side hustle cash earner for you. Or if you're like me, I always go extra big and have to make everything massive and elaborate. Hence why I have my own live music entertainment company with multiple acts that I created, like choreographed, built the shows for, and put out into the world as an offer. And they have been booked time and time and time again for years. I now help other people do the same thing for themselves. If you think that you may need some help and may like somebody to walk alongside you and help coach you with your creative gifts, click the link in the description because I'm offering a few free calls to a few people to have a chat about where they are, where they'd like to be, and see if it's something that you may like me to help you with. This third tip is going to take a little bit more work. It's going to take consistency. It's going to take time and patience. But I've seen hundreds and thousands of people earning from this on a monthly basis, and that is get on YouTube. I'm seeing YouTubers get on here every day talking about their wins and their success and how much they're earning from being on YouTube. So if you have a skill, if you have a knowledge base, if you have expertise in a particular area, you can share that on YouTube. Trust me, and best believe someone will need what it is that you have to share. Somebody will need what it is that you know. I use YouTube every day, and YouTube is owned by Google and it's a search engine. When I want to look something up or want to see how something works, I go on YouTube. When people are looking for me as an entertainer, people are looking for wedding singers or entertainment for whatever their event is, a wedding, a party, a corporate event, they jump on YouTube and check me out. They ask me to send them a YouTube link of my performances. YouTube is the place to be. So like I said, if you've got something to showcase, you've got some knowledge, you've got an expertise, you've got something within your life that you've learned that could be helpful to somebody else, create a YouTube channel today and start thinking about how you can share the information from your brain and help somebody. If you're skillful and clever about it, you could actually get monetized with the first video that you upload. And how you get monetized, just quickly, on YouTube is you have to have 1,000 subscribers and you have to have 4,000 watch hours within a 1 year period. So I'm currently on my journey there. I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers, and here I am making my videos, sharing my knowledge, sharing my experience and my expertise with you. Hopefully you will find value out of this. Can I ask you to give me a thumbs up? And maybe even leave a comment and let me know what it is that you found really useful from this video, because it actually helps push this video out into the algorithm and it helps other people that need to hear what I've got to say find me and get the information that they need. Now, if you're still here, that means you really are enjoying the video and you're getting a lot of value out of this. So I want to give you a free gift. Click the link in the description and get your free Creative Kickstart Toolkit that will help you think about your ideas. I want to leave you with this summary from the Bible, Matthew 25. There are a few people that had talents and they were supposed to go away and do something with it. Go out into the world, multiply it, use it, and make a difference. 2 of those people did an amazing job. They went out, they multiplied their talents and their gifts, and they were given more. 1 person didn't. Instead of going out and doing something with their gift and their talent, they buried it. And then what happened? They lost that talent too. Don't be that 3rd person that does nothing with their talent and buries it. Be like the first 2. Use that gift that God's given to you. You are here for a reason. God has created you specifically with a calling that only you can do. There's billions of us on this earth, but there's no one like you. Imagine. There's something inside of you that the people in your world, or maybe we all need. Don't bury that talent. Like I said before, if you want to jump on a call with me and talk about where you are, where you want to be, let's do it. Grab the calls while they're still there and they're still free. Grab the toolkit while it's still available. If you're watching this video and you're not yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead and click subscribe and hit the bell so that you will be notified when I drop my next video.